Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and we're going to be doing an oil change on my Acura MDX. Before we get started, these are some basic tools you're going to need. This right here is going to be a torque wrench. I'm going to have it preset at 29 foot-pounds for the oil drain plug. This is just a 3/8 ratchet, 17mm bit, oil filter removal tool. The oil you're going to need is going to be 5W20 fully synthetic. You can use whatever you want as long as it meets the specifications. That is my oil filter I'm going to use. It's the Bosch 3323. Going out, and of course some gloves, oil pan, just standard stuff. So before we get started, you want to get it up to operating temperature. I rode mine up on some wheel ramps like this, and then I put a little wheel chuck right there in the back just for safety, and I applied my e-brake. All right, now from the driver's side, I'm going to go ahead and pop your hood. Going out front. All right, now from the front, right here where the Acura logo is, right there. All right, now from the top, this right here is going to be oil dipstick. Go ahead and pull it out. You don't have to pull it fully out. I'm just going to pull it out like that, and then your oil fill cap. Whoops, is right there. See in the frame, you see it says 5W20. Go ahead and take it off. Alright, here we go. Before anyone gives me any crap, I'm aware it is wet under here. I'm trying to find the oil leak. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. This part is not difficult, it's just really hot. Oh, there we go. All right. Let that drain out. All right, so it's been draining for about 10-15 minutes-ish or so. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on. Make sure you replace your crush washer every time so you can avoid getting leaks. Okay, make sure it seats properly. I'm going to go get my torque wrench. One moment. I'm going to go ahead and get my torque wrench. Again, I set mine to 29 foot-pounds. You can use a mechanical one or a digital. Make sure it seats properly first before you start cranking on it. Whoop. Getting close. That's it. Alright, so next, you guessed it, you're going to be removing the oil filter. It is right there in the frame, the little white canister back there. Let me try to find a different position and then move the camera. Alright. Oh, come on. There we go. Man, whoever did this before really cranked it on there. Alright, there we go. Should come off now. There we go. Alright. Get your oil pan, oil pan under. Ah! There it is. Alright, well, let that drain out for a little bit, and then we'll take it off fully. Alright, going in. So slippery. Put this off to the side. Right, so now you're going to go ahead and get your new oil filter right here. We'll pour some oil in here and just prime it. Alright, let's see. Alright. Beautiful. Go ahead and reinstall this back on the way we just took that old one off. I usually just do mine hand tight. Alright guys, so now I am here at the top. Go ahead and get a funnel. Place it right there. You're going to put in right at 5.3 quarts. I'm going to go ahead and do mine right at 5 quarts. Run the engine for about 30 seconds and then check with the dipstick. I'm trying to keep the video short, so if you like it, I'm actually going to go ahead and wrap it up because the rest of this is kind of straightforward. But if you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel on the bottom right hand corner. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.